everybody, good morning. Today we're going to be doing a DIY tutorial hair braiding. We're going to be showing you how to do a fishtail braid. And what you're going to do is start off by getting your model's hair ready. We'll go ahead and comb it out and then place it into a ponytail. We're going to do the first braid, which is going to be the fishtail, the regular fishtail. I'm going to start by putting her hair in a ponytail, and then we're going to go ahead and start the braid. Okay, and her hair is now in a ponytail. We're just going to finish combing it. Okay, and we're going to get started. So normally in a fishtail braid, you're going to take two sections of the hair. I'm sure a lot of you know how to do this already, but we're just going to show you again. And you can either have your hair wet or you can just leave it dry, whichever you prefer. And all you're going to do is you're going to take one section. It can be a small or big piece depending on how you want it. And you're going to run it to the other side, and you're going to get another small piece on this side. And all you're doing is you're crisscrossing. You're going to do it for each section. If I could grab it. And we're going to continue this until we get to the end of the braid. And so at the end of this braid, once you're done, you'll go ahead and put it into a little rubber band or another rubber band, whatever size you want. And then, like I said, we're just going to continue with the same movement, just going back and forth. So as you can see, the braid is getting into like a crisscross, kind of like fish tail pattern. Depending on how big of size hair you get will determine how big the braid is. And then also depending on how the head is positioned, you're seeing how it's pointing out this way. If it's more down, it'll go down more depending on which direction you put it into. And like I said again, depending on how big of the piece of hair you get will determine how big each of these little sections come out. So you see that it's coming along on the hair and it's getting towards the end now. And like I said, once again, when we get towards the end, you're gonna add a little rubber band. You can add hair clips, whatever you prefer on your hair. This is also great to do for younger little girls with long hair. You know, they love braiding hair. Okay, and we're already getting to the end. So now, like, you see these three little pieces here, you can leave it as is and it can be your little fishtail. You know, you don't have to. Some people prefer to like put it all together and then just put it all in one. It's just totally up to you what you prefer. Here, everybody, we finished here with the braid. I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the rubber band. Alrighty, so this would be the end result of the fishtail. I mean, it's not perfect, but I mean, like I said again, if you have a little bit of flyaways or like baby hairs and stuff like that, you can put a little bit of hairspray on it, make it look a little bit nicer, but I think I did pretty well. Go ahead and like and subscribe on our Facebook page. If you want to see more tutorials like this, just go ahead and let us know in the comment section, and then any questions that you might have, we'll go ahead and get back to you. Thank you guys.